Hey guys, I'm back in another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get to low servers. So first what you want to do is open a new tab and go to Chrome Web Store. And then you want to go down, and then go here. You can exit out. And it'll take you to this. And then what you want to do is press extensions, do Roblox Plus, and press extensions. That's where you're going to find it. It's the only way you're going to find it. And you go down into here by WebGL3D. You add to Chrome. Well, first let me show you what it is. So if you go to servers and you go down, you see this little load more thing. Well, when you add Roblox Plus, it's a Chrome, add extension, and you can also there's this thing called OBC, and sometimes, or you can change your background of your Roblox thing, like the OBC thing. But yeah, let's just wait for this to add. Alright, it's added. Press this. Then you're gonna X this out. And I'm gonna refresh the page. Times account, but don't matter. Okay, so this, and now you have the arrows. But yeah, guys, I think it's gonna be the end of the video. It was a short video. I know it was. I'm sorry, but I think it's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.